Welcome at forextrading.com. Right now is 8th February 2011. We are talking about the almost 40 minutes after 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's take a look at currencies today differently, starting from currencies. Looking at 4-hour euro dollar chart, we were talking about small coming down trend, and the follow through of this sellout move was really weak. So yesterday's move, we're gonna see a 30-minute chart that was something we could call the dump money entrance. So somebody entered the market short after everybody finished their move. So that's how it looked like, and the market stopped out at important support resistance at 4-hour chart. So we can basically see that market's gonna move a little bit higher and higher maybe today. We might be coming back to the big trend, growing big trend. At 4-hour chart, pound situation looks a little bit different. The market narrows down to some point to meet probably some stronger move to the upside or downside. I'm not really interested in predicting this kind of move because I'm not predicting any future. I'm interested in knowing probability when the market's gonna hit some more aggressive movement. So I'm talking about volatility. I'm interested in some bigger moves. So whenever market's going to move higher or lower from this triangle pattern, I'm going to be interested in entering the market if price dynamics going to show us that we might be expecting some stronger movement. So please do not confuse those analysis with predicting the future. I'm not talking about future, even though some of the moves can be predicted. Most likely I'm talking about the setups. I mean, what we're gonna do if market will move this or that. So let's take a look at 30-minute charts. Euro dollar 30-minute chart. We have seen some sellers coming in at the market, then there was a follow through move, and something that happened yesterday was the dump money movement, the third, the same wave like before. So we are talking about the first move, we are talking about particular second move, and the third move is very risky to enter the market if the market's moving the same way for the third time. So it is the end of the movement. Something happened like similar to head and shoulders pattern. We see here left shoulder and kind of right shoulder. Head and shoulders is something I called symbolic pattern, so it doesn't have to look like a head and shoulders. We are talking about the price moving higher and higher from zigzag movement and fake breakout like here. So we might be expecting some more uptrend movement at a 4-hour and 30-minute chart. Looking at the pound situation, it is a little bit different. I was talking about the 4-hour chart that we see some narrowing down of the price chart, and the price might continue some stronger moves whenever it will be to the upside or downside. I'm not really interested in any particular side of the market. I'm very open to any situation that might occur at those currencies. So let's take back to S&P contracts. We seen the market after those two shadows moved higher. It broke out, and the level of the breakout was very shallow. So it was a shallow testing, the kind of testing I'm not really interested in most of the time. I like the market go higher and then test it aggressively and go to the upside again. It happened differently sometimes. Like here we see the market moved maybe 40 or something pips, let's see, 30 pips, and then stayed at this level, but it tested it positively and moved to the upside. So we are talking about nice move as well. So the first wave of the move is more than 400 pips right now, and we can expect another 300-400 pips movement until the market will take any breath like it happened here or before. Another interesting move is gold. I was talking about gold situation that the market seemed to make a beautiful head and shoulders pattern. Everybody see it, and we have very good conditions at S&P 500 market and other indices. So we are talking about probability of another bullish big movement in medium and long term. Traders might be interested in this kind of move. Whenever the market is going to move 300 or 400 pips, it might be continuing its move based on the big daily chart trend. So we are talking about some kind of big moves. And right now we are at particular level I was talking about before, that market might be testing this comfortable zone of support resistance, this shallow rectangle I've marked here. The market tested it not very strongly. I would be suggesting to wait a little bit to see if the market's going to break out aggressively, then test this line and break out again, or it's going to coming back to this level and we're going to see some beautiful shadows and market coming back again to this level. So the entrance at the market should be we enter the first part of the trade when the market break out, for example, and we wait. If the market's going to follow through, we enter another part of the trade, or we're going to wait till the market's going to test this level again and come back to this side and enter the second part of the trade. So there are at least two ways of risk management in this kind of trade, and we can really use it. So market is very interesting today. We might see this move I'm talking about, I mean the breakout movement, and even today, even next few hours. So please be prepared to see the gold as it is, because it might be very profitable in the future. I mean, we have very beautiful space for market continuing the upside movement for next at least 700 pips movement. So that will be it for now. We're gonna discuss more gold opportunities, and this kind of trade will be the example of real account trading when the opportunity occur, because right now we are waiting to strong breakout from this rectangle pattern. If it happens, it might be suggesting an entrance to the market. Thank you very much for listening. I wish you a nice, positive, profitable, decent trading. Thank you very much.